Hello Midway Nation, this is Zach Pavlicek up here at Midway Billings. Gonna walk you guys through a really nice unit today. It is the Forest River Wildwood X-Lite 24 RXL. I wanna go through some outside features that make life easier for you guys. Electric awning, all electric there. That's super nice, covers most of the length of the coach. If we come up front here, electric hitch jack on the front. That's gonna make life easier for mom and dad as well. This particular unit has solar on it. It is not standard with these models, but we ordered this unit with solar to help you guys out. That covers the basics of the outside. What makes this coach special is the features on the inside. So let's go take a look. Coming on up here, you've got the good camper stairs. You don't have the cheap little flimsy ones on here. We order the right steps. That way you guys don't have to spend the extra money after the fact. Moving on to the inside of this coach, guys. Super nice layout in the back. You've got your whole living room back here, big kitchen with tons of counter space. You do have a 3-burner grill, which is nice. Big refrigerator for you guys while you're out camping. That's super helpful. The dinette folds down into another big bed as well. So if you have extra company with you, you've got that. You have the lounge couch in the back that has extra storage underneath it. That's another awesome feature about this camper. Tons and tons of storage in this unit. What makes this one super special though, guys, walk through here and check out this giant bathroom. One of the biggest bathrooms I've seen in a bumper pull camper so far. It's awesome. Tons of storage, tons of leg room. If you're tall like my camera guy here, you've got plenty of space to spread out and do what you need to do here. Bedroom, super nice, super simple. Walk around queen bed, obviously more storage up under there. They give you storage along the sides of the bedrooms. Just makes it super convenient for you guys. Come on into Midway. My name's Zach. I would love to help you out and I would love to show you guys the best buying experience in all of Montana. We'll see you soon.